Since the start of the COVID pandemic here in Atlanta, I've been doing more of the one thing I really love doing. I really enjoy driving to like small local car events that are primarily outdoors or going to local attractions where there aren't a lot of people walking around. On this one night, Friday, December 11th, I met up with two buddies to check out some cars in the local area and then drove to a place called Atlantic Station in downtown Atlanta to do some walking around to just take in the night scene. These are just a few of the pictures that I captured on my iPhone from that night.